tuyo.
Asindera. Ayaw sa skip, ayaw sa nakaisulti ba? Kanang yung mga asindera, kanang asindera kit sila, kanang gulat lang ka kung kailan sila magmata. Asindera nga di gid magmata, dugay magmata. Daghan kay na sa probinsya, sa Pilipinas, mga asindero o dugay magmata. Niya masuko pa kung ang sudan may lami, dili ham, dili bacon, dili itlog. Grabe ang mga tao, nagbagis ng mga bata karon. Oo, pampungkaon nimo tag dugay gyud mga mata. Siguro tag bilar na matulog, kisigirag kuan, cellphone ang naong sig TikTok, naong malawag mga na mga negosyo. Kitag dugay mang mata, dagdugay magtulog pod. Kay bilar pamente. Hoy mga sindera, di mo mga sindera, di mo mga anak ug kuan ha, mga dato. Nagputi gid ang naong. Mo na mga mata mo sayo, raho mo. Tamata pud bang may time, sige ra mao to kay mao ning mountain ang gadto. Kabi ka steep ng mountain. Sindira, dugay mang mata mga karaho. Bye. Where's the car coming? Over here or over there? What? The car, incoming car. From here. So this one should be here. Oh, we are? Okay. So this road, how long does it build already? Like 1990s?
No, it was before.
Before? Before you were born, is already the road here?
No, they built it when I grew up here.
Oh, grew up like 1970s?
About 50 years maybe.
And then it completed from the east to east there.
And this one was the old road where we're walking now.
The old road. Like, how come there's no tourist here? Well, just the one. Or maybe they don't know, huh? Only local. See, there's a car coming over there. So the avalanche is going from there.
It's coming from there, yeah.
Oh my god. And that house is burned. They're buried, huh? Mga plato sa receiver. Plato. And then when you grow up, there's already electricity here, huh?
Yes. We didn't have TV, we had electricity.
That's good. Electricity. And which channel is the oldest channel here?
We didn't have TV at all.
No, you don't. But when you grow up, like you become a young adult,
But
you
then
had TV, right?
The first TV when it came,
Mm-hmm.
I think in the 70s, so we had only 3 channels.
Which one?
The Swiss channels.
What's the name of the Swiss channel?
SRF, ACE, SRF 2 and 3.
And the second?
That's it.
Oh, that's it? 3
Yeah,
channel? The
3 channels.
SBB,
Not SBB, SRF.
SLF.
Schweizer Fernsehen and then the Italian
Italian.
one and the French one. And
Oh,
the German
really?
one. Yeah.
Nice.
That's it.
That's why you speak French, huh?
Yeah.
Because of the channel, huh? And they also like put some Hollywood films in the Italian and French or German.
Hollywood French.
Yeah, they just dub it. Like the movie is from Hollywood and they just dub it or all German. No English, huh?
No.
But only those films are from Germany and Italy, right? And Switzerland. Not from America.
No films. We had all the films. Yeah.
Oh, in America?
But they were displaying in German language.
Oh, they're display. Like caption.
Yeah.
And then when you grew up, like you cannot find work here, right? Because this is a industrial one, agricultural.
Everybody had work.
Oh, really? What do you work?
I work in the restaurant.
Oh, in restaurant, in the
restaurant and
the
the
greeting,
farm. The farm.
The farm. Which farm is it?
Just one part is over, it's right coming here. And the big shed is in the village.
And then the restaurant in the Grina, right?
Yeah.
Grita, whatever.
Grina.
And that's the oldest restaurant in Simplon.
No, that's the youngest.
Oh, the youngest. And how about the other restaurant that we passed? Like somebody brought a breakfast there. Is it like the Swiss? Is it like the oldest or the new
I
one?
think the oldest is the one on the square in the village in the middle where the church is. I think that's the oldest.
But that one came later. The big restaurant down. I don't know. I forgot the name.
The Fletchhorn one?
Yeah, it's like the Swiss.
I think so. I'm not quite sure. But I think so.
Mostly they serve like American breakfast or like continental, or just
Maybe continental.
just the bangers or the sausage steak. So now I think the water that comes from there, it comes from the clouds. Yeah, because the clouds has like condensation, gases to water, and then it
The
absorbs.
rain
Yeah, it absorbed by the trees and then it
The rain
flows.
comes from the cloud, yes?
Yeah, exactly. That rain comes from the clouds, yeah. That's why there's the water from the mountains. It's different mountains that we have in the Philippines, because this one is steepy and we have flat. We don't have like we have like that, but I don't know, they don't look nice because it's up to the forest.
Go down here.
Where? Over there? And then down. Oh, look at the river. Nice. It's
This
nice.
is part of the farm from Koili.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So, it's a nice one. And then, so